In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send and sign DocuSign documents from Word 5 minutes. First, open Microsoft Word and load the document you want to sign or send for signature. It's a good idea to review and save your file before you begin, so the version you send is the final one. Next, open the add-ins experience in Word. Depending on your version, you'll find it under the Insert tab as Get Add-ins or Office Add-ins. In the store, use the search bar to look for DocuSign. When you see the DocuSign for Word add-in, select it, choose Add, accept any prompts, and Word will load a DocuSign pane. If you don't see it right away, look for a new DocuSign button in the ribbon. Clicking it will reopen the pane on the right side of your screen. With the DocuSign pane visible, sign into your DocuSign account. You'll be prompted in the side panel. Follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate, and if your organization uses single sign-on, choose that option. If Word asks you to grant permissions so the add-in can prepare your document for signing, approve those to continue. If you're the only person who needs to sign, choose the Sign Document option in the DocuSign pane. Your document will appear with tools to place your signature. Click where you want the signature to go, and DocuSign will guide you to adopt a signature style or draw your own. You can also add a date signed field or your name if needed. When you're done placing fields, follow the prompts to finish. DocuSign will generate a signed copy and typically email it to you. You can also download it or save it back to your preferred location like your computer or cloud storage. If others need to sign, choose Request Signatures, enter the recipient's email addresses, and customize the subject and message so they know what they're receiving. If there's more than one signer, set the signing order if you want one person to sign before another. Then drag and drop all necessary fields onto the document: signature, initials, date, and any text fields the signer must fill out. Make sure each field is assigned to the correct recipient and marked required if it's mandatory. Take a moment to preview the placement so nothing is missing. When everything looks good, click Send. Recipients will receive an email link to review and sign. You can track status, send reminders, or make corrections from the DocuSign pane or your DocuSign dashboard. That's it. Your Word document is now on its way to being securely signed. Thanks for watching and happy sending.